Hi guys, welcome to the third video of HTML basics, structuring text with tags. So line breaks, emphasis and importance. Alright, sometimes we want to format paragraphs with line breaks. For example, this song would look much better if raindrops on roses appeared on one line, whiskers on kittens on the next, and so on. That is true. Okay, let's see. Okay, we can separate lines with the help of the line breaks tag. Break, break, break. Okay, let's run it. There you go. Everything's on a different line. Lesson solved. Good job. Break is an empty tag. Empty tags have no closing tag and no content. They are also called self-closing tags. Put together the line break tag. So open. So no closing. Run. That's it. Continue. There's an element for giving emphasis to text. It makes it italic. It's called the EM, shortened for emphasis element. Add EM and closing EM. It's easy. EM, closing. Raindrops on roses. As you can see, roses is in italics. To define texts as important, we use the strong and close strong tags. It makes text bold. Okay. Whiskers on kittens. Let's make it bold. Strong. There you go. What's the break tag for? So this one's a question. It gives emphasis to text. It adds a line break. The first one gives emphasis to text. Oh, sorry. What was I thinking? It adds a line break. Sorry. Lesson solved. Good job. Which of these tags is an empty or self-closing tag? So that's what we learned earlier. So it's the line break. It does not have a closing tag. Continue. Which of these tags give emphasis to text? So EM, emphasis, shortened for emphasis. What are the strong open and close tags for? They define text as important. They make the text unbreakable by line break. So it's not this. So to define text as important by making it bold. Lesson solved. Good job. Give emphasis to the album title by adding the opening and closing emphasis tags. Opening, closing. I just listened to Abbey on Road for the first time. Continue. Add a line break to the address between Mimo and Vienna, Austria, such that Mimo appears on one line and Vienna, Austria appears below it. So we need a line break. So break, run. That's it. Give emphasis on the words in the second sentence. So my friends get annoyed when I post in italics. So this is sentence number 1. Sentence number 2, I guess it's a bit too right leaning for them. So close, emphasis, run. That's it. Define rock U as important text by coding strong. we will line break strong. That's the opening. We just need to close it. That's it guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.